Hello, we are covering job analysis, and within job analysis, we are on the fourth method of job analysis, and this method is called the Position Analysis Questionnaire. Now, what this method does not share with the rest of the methods is, instead of individually breaking down the specific jobs or the elements of these specific jobs, this method categorizes. So it focuses on making categories. So from different categories, it creates bundles. But as we have seen in other methods also, they create a sort of, difference between all the categories. But what this does is consolidate the elements into some broad categories. Now, this was developed by McCormick and Associates in the year 1972. Now, what does this model say exactly? Okay. This model says that all the elements, all the jobs can be reduced into 194 elements, and within these 194 elements, 6 broad categories or dimensions can be classified. So let's see these dimensions and their personal share of elements. So we have miscellaneous aspect with 41 elements, we have input, information input 35 elements, mental processes 14, work output 49 elements, interpersonal activities 36 elements, work situation and job context 19 elements. So what do these categories even mean? What is information input, what is mental processes, what is work output? Let's understand what each of these categories mean. So let's start with information input and make our way from the right. We have information input, and this usually means inputting the information. So all the jobs that require inputting the information will be categorized into this category or this dimension. So for example, let's take since we are inputting information, let's take the collection of customer information, or let's say data entry, that wherever the information is being input is called the or is categorized in the information input category. Now up next we have mental processes, and within mental processes we will be classifying this on the basis of cognitive activities. So all the jobs that require some sort of cognitive, or problem solving skills or decision making skills, all the jobs which require you to do heavy on cognitive activities will be categorized under mental processes. Now we move on to work output. Any job that produces some output, like manufacturing, or for let's say for example assembly products or delivery services, whatever jobs are producing some sort of output will be categorized under work output. What is interpersonal activities? Any job that requires you to talk to other people will be categorized in interpersonal activities. So let's say HR, for example. The HR, the job of an HR manager will require you to talk to people, take interviews, or anything that is sort of in that zone will be categorized under interpersonal activities. Then we have work situation and job context. So what this means is, Okay, consider the environment conditions. Again, we're talking about the job context, and job context means the job environment. So all the situations and environments are considered of a job here in these 19 elements. Then we move on to miscellaneous aspects. Everything that wasn't covered from information input up until work situation will be covered in miscellaneous aspect. So we have 6 broader categories of the 194 elements that have been categorized by McCormick and Associates, are given here, and the name of this model or this method is called Position Analysis Questionnaire. So yeah, that it's a fairly easy and simple method, and yeah, here that is how you do analysis, by categorizing them into certain categories. This is it from the Position Analysis Questionnaire, and thank you so much.